Let's clone any website in just single click. So here we go. So first of all, open any website. So suppose I have that live website, okay, TCB new demo website. And now open the new tab and just search your website downloader, Chrome extension, okay? And you will see here the website downloader, click on it. And this is the website downloader extension we need to install. Click on add to Chrome, then click on add extension. And now just close this, click on that extension icon and just spin that extension. Done. Now open the website. We have this website. Now click on that extension and you have two options like single page and multi-page. So select the multi-page and you have a tab like, so I'm going to just use a one tab. So I will get all the pages like home, menu, about and book table. Okay. So I'm going to use it as one and let's click on the download button and just wait some seconds. And it's done. Now we have that zip file, open that zip and just unzip that file. Okay. And just open that folder and scan it. We have 4 files. Let's open the first index.html. Wow, that's really cool. As you can see, this is the overall as it is content we have. This file in our local host. Let's redirect to the another page, menu. Wow, it's working. Oh my god, JS, CS, everything is working. About, amazing. Book table, everything is fine. So this is the easiest way to clone any website in just single click. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.